Can you install Play Store app on Samsung Smart TV? Accept the answer and go to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Yes, you can, but only the Play Movies app. If you are lucky to have a newer TV, there's a chance Play Movies is already available for you. If you don't have it, open Smart Hub, go to Apps, and select Samsung Apps. Choose Google Play Movies and download the app. Unfortunately, downloading Play Store itself is not possible because Play Store only works on Android devices, whereas Samsung Smart TVs have their own operating system. Enter the realm of knowledge. Here, you'll find the answer to all of your questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.